Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lulu and today I have a really cute video for you guys. Is installing a wig. This is my first time ever doing it myself. I mean, I've got wig installed before, but professionally done. This will be the first time I ever do it. So let's get into the video. Make sure to subscribe, like my video, and comment. Thank you guys. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so I already did my braids. I did 2 flat braids. I'll show you guys how it looks in the back. So basically that's it. That's how you do it. It's very simple. You don't really have to do much. Just make sure your hair is flat and that's it. So let's put on the cap. All right, so I have the cap right here. So this wig, I got it from my hairstylist. He usually the one who's installed wigs for me, and he kind of taught me how to do it. But you know, he's the professional. I'll link all his information below. If you guys in the tri-state area and want to get some wigs done, hit him up. He's awesome and he got great prices. But let's get into this. So this is the cap. All right, so let's put it on. All right guys, I hope this comes out good. But I'm gonna try my best. All right. All right. Make sure your hair is all pushed back too when you guys do this. Don't make sure you don't have any of the hair out, because remember, you guys are going to cut. You guys are gonna cut this. Oh, this is actually kind of short. Normally the caps are a little bit longer, but it is what it is. Let me go get like a comb so I can like push these baby hairs back, because I want to make sure everything is pushed back. So give me a second. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I was able to push back the hair. I did do 2 little holes here on the side. And now we're gonna lay down the cap. So when you lay down the cap, I'm gonna use the GOT2B glue. All right, and just put it on the corner here. And now we're gonna let it dry. I'm gonna use my blow dryer, which I have right here. All right guys, so let me blow dry this here. We're gonna make this super hard, okay? And then I'll be right back to show you guys how we're gonna cut the lace and then put on the wig and everything. All right guys, so we're back. So this is all hard. All right, so let's cut it here. Okay, and then just cut the corners. Let me get some sharper scissors. I'll be right back. All right guys, so I got a little bit of foundation just so it can blend better. Honestly, I feel like I didn't really need to do this part, but because I always see everyone else doing it, I'm like, maybe I should do it. You know, you guys hear my dogs. All right, so let's throw on this wig. All right, so this here, I believe this is a 28 inches. It is a T part. So yeah, normally all my wigs are either 13 by 4, 13 by 6, but whatever, I'll do this. Is actually the first wig I ever bought. I didn't know about wigs back then. When I first bought this, when I just saw this color, I was like, oh, this color's so pretty. Let me just do it. By the way, this wig installation is like for beginners, okay? I'm not a professional. I don't really know how to do this. I saw my stylist doing it. He kind of taught me a little bit, and you know, he was just like, go out in the world, girl, and do what you got to do. So all right, so let's throw this in. Oh, I got caught. Let's see. I got caught in something. Okay, let's throw it on now. All right, guys, when you put your wig, make sure that you pull it down and you clip it in the back. All right now. All right, so I definitely got to cut a little more. Let me see here. Let's bring all right now. Okay. I definitely got to finesse it a little better. Okay, I'm really excited because, like I said, this is my first time doing it myself. All right, we're just gonna put some bobby pins here to lay the wig down. I'm also gonna cut a little bit of the part here, but it's not a big deal, guys, honestly. I'm hot. This shit ain't no joke. All right, so I'm just gonna add some of this to lay the cap down. And just put it like here on the corner. Oh, if you guys have like a hot comb, that also works to flatten out the hair, especially the wig. All right, let's do that there. So this will last you, like, if you take care of it and if you have like the headband thing here, it can last you like 3 days. And I say 3 days because this is not like glue or anything for the hair. But yeah. All right, so let me go ahead and fix the wig and then I'll come back to show you guys everything. All right, guys, so I'm back and this is it. This is the final result. It came out pretty good. I mean, like I said, this is my first time ever doing a wig on myself. I usually pay someone who does it, which is my hairstylist, and he does an amazing job. And today I just wanted to see if I could do it myself, and clearly I can. Definitely will be using better products though when I'm gonna install the wig if I want it to last a little bit longer. I don't think this is gonna last me 2 days, honestly. Like maybe just for today and that's it, because I only use the GOT2B glue and the Ultra, which one here, the GOT2B Ultra glue. So I only use those 2 products, so most likely it's not gonna last me long. Another thing I didn't do was sometimes they put like this headband here to keep it down. I didn't do that either because I didn't use any glue or anything like that. But I was still able to flatten it out and make it look really nice. But yeah, basically that's it. I mean, I hope you guys like my video. Subscribe to my channel. If you guys want more videos like this, how I do wigs, let me know. I mean, now that I know that I could do it, I'll do more videos. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.